Ha, 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 ha. Hey everybody, welcome back to Maximum Voice. I had the pleasure of already doing 2 videos about interpretation. The first one was just a regular introduction on how to prep for the song. The second one was about how to work with dynamics. If you haven't seen them yet, why don't you just go and check them out? There's also another video on songwriting actually about the chapter theory on how to write songs in chapters that is also interesting for interpretation. So you can also feel free to check out on that. Today, we are going to look into the aspect of sounds or sound colors. So what do I mean when I say sound colors? I can make a note or sing a tone just cleanly. That would be something like ah. And now I can take some emotion and start to colorize it. So it could be something like ha or ha, 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 ha. So you see there's like the one and the same note, and I can do it in so many different colors, just about how well I feel it and how I want to create that sound and do that sound. That I think this is going to be a very, very interesting lesson. We already checked into the song and we already prepped on how we feel about the content, what emotions coming up, what memories might be coming up, and you can always check like how does it feel in my body, where do I feel the emotion, to just localize where your body is mostly responding with the emotion, so you can also take that source for creating. I have picked the song Maneater in the version of the film with Jennifer Lawrence. So I have picked the version of No Hard Feelings for myself to build up on, but there are several different versions of this song. Go on the internet like you usually do and just check out some different versions of this song. And you will hear so many different sounds that they're using and doing with the song and what is all possible with that song that you will have a first idea. I'm gonna take my phone once more because I want to have the lyrics here because I have this tendency to screw them up. If I go in the first verse, let me try to sing that first very cleanly to you. I'm gonna sing the first verse and the chorus, and then I'm gonna pick an emotion and gonna try to make up some sounds that would fit that emotion. Let's start. She only comes out at night, the lean and hungry type. Nothing is new, I've seen her here before. Watching and waiting, oh, she's sitting with you, but her eyes are on the door. So many have paid to see what you think you're getting for free. The woman is wild, a she-cat tamed by the purr of a jaguar. Money's the matter. If you're in it for love, you ain't gonna get too far. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. So far, so clean. I'm gonna pick more than one emotion right now because you're usually not going on just like one emotion. It's not that supernatural. So I'm going to take at least 2 to switch a little bit and play a little bit. In this case, I'm going to take a little bit dreamy and remembering a really good night, and then also a little bit of tension because I'm trying to warn someone else. So it is like, it was really nice, but it hurt so much, so better don't do it. Shifting from one to the other. I'm going to use colors mainly. So this also means, and that's where our dynamics already coming in also, that I'm going a little bit loud and a little bit less loud. Let's start softly. She only comes out at night, the lean and hungry type. Nothing's new, I've seen her here before. Watching and waiting, Oh, she's sitting with you, but her eyes are on the door. So many have paid to see what you think you're getting for free. The woman's wild as she got tamed by the purr of a jaguar. Money's the matter. If you're in it for love, you ain't gonna get too far. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. But oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. So maybe you already heard some differences in sound. Sometimes I was a little bit more raspy when I got more tense. Sometimes I was a little bit more airy when I was more dreamy. Sometimes I was a little bit like laughing actually, because it was like I remembering and it was kind of like, oh yeah, haha. So this is also a sound. Let me try the second sound. I'm imagining now sitting with you and we're really intimate friends and I'm going to tell you about her, him. And I'm really sad about it. So let's try that. Sad and maybe a little angry. So let's try to shift there also a little bit. She only comes out at night, the lean and hungry type. Nothing's new, I've seen her here before. Watching and waiting, oh, she's sitting with you, but her eyes are on the door. So many have paid to see what you think you're getting for free. The woman's wild as she got tamed by the purr of a jaguar. Money's the matter, and if you're in it for love, you ain't gonna get too far. And oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. And oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater. So there you notice, I mean, I'm also a little bit overdoing it here, of course, but I was always a little bit squeaky with my voice. I was like, oh, I was taking out sounds that might not sound nice without the context, but with the context, they are working. So what I would like you to do now, take your song, decide for one or two emotions that feel like they going along with your feeling of what the song is. Practice, and if you feel ready, take two emotions that you feel like they are not at all happening in the song. For example, for this song, you could do like a No Angels Happy, like Eyes in the Sunshine version. And it's a really nice challenge because you have to take the super sad lyrics and somehow make them sound like the most happy butterfly that you could find on this whole earth. And if you can do that, then you have a really good grip on how to do the sounds on your interpretation. If you like what I'm doing, and I hope you do, leave a like. If there's anything not clear or you have to do any kind of comment you want me to get, leave a comment. I would be very happy to read you. And if you're here because you want to learn, why don't you just subscribe to the channel? This way you will not miss out any videos anymore. I hope to see you on the next episode where we are going to check out some rhythmic stuff.